Scorpy. Yes. You know where we are? Don't know, don't care. Don't say that to me again, okay? Okay, sorry. Yeah, we're in Lamparido. You like it here, Scorps? Yup, love it. Well, I forgot the video when we're in the pool. Oh, yes, of course. That was very weird. It was just like, like that. And so now we're here in the beautiful coffee shop. Right, Scorpy? Yup. Where do you want to go? Later on your jacket. Okay. Have a great rest, Scorpy. How about over there? Okay, you can climb there. But just be careful, there might be snakes. Okay. Nom 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 nom. Why? What is it called?
I forgot, but that plant is poisonous.
Yes, Scorpio. You need to be careful because that's poisonous. Okay.
Beware that plant.
Yes, beware of that plant, Scorpio. Beware. Beware of that plant. Beware. Beware. Literally beware. And there's a lot of people here. Well, yes, Papa. And everything looks so nice here. Love it. Looks great. Love it, Scorpy, right? Love it, Scorpy. You love it, Scorpy? Love it? Yup. Okay, Scorpy. I'm tall.
You want to be a YouTuber?
Yes.
Why you want to be?
Ha? Si ano siya, si Pitpit, payat na daw. Ang si Pacquiao, man of display sa vaccine. Si Pitpit, man of display sa inom.
Mouth. Nom 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 nom. Ito man bakit? Yeah. Papa. Papa, how about those plants,
Ano
Papa?
ba na time masakit ni si
Apa?
Pitpit siyang bisyo na. Basi
Papa,
katignan
Papa,
ba?
Papa, Papa. Papa, how about that kind of plant?
Ha?
How about that kind of plant?
That is Chinese bamboo.
Oh, Chinese bamboo.
Palangga man hindi mo.
Okay. And the video's almost done. Say bye to the guys. Bye.
Pitpit mangud ura wala siya.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Brain code siya. Apil ba? Kuan gud siya.
Different siya.
Oh, helpless siya ba kay ungkol ba siya no?